Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our
Waddle, waddle, ducks parade across the pond in bright sunshade. Yellow, green, and speckled brown, quacking happily as they wandered down. Feet splash softly in the morning light, wings fluttering, such a cheerful sight. All together, side by side, ducks waddle proudly with playful stride. One little duck dips in the stream to join in with a happy gleam. Three little ducks spin around in fun, four splash softly one by one. Frogs leap high as the ducks go past, ripples dancing on the water's glass. Waddle, waddle, ducks parade, playing games in sunlit glade. The pond is alive with colors bright, dragonflies dart in sparkling flight. Reeds sway gently as the ducks march by, reflecting sunlight from the sky. A turtle peeks from a rock nearby, watching the parade with a lazy eye. Quacks echo in joyful tune, from morning sun to afternoon. As the day begins to softly fade, the ducks march home through the glade. Feet get tired but hearts stay light. They waddle together from morning to night. Stars twinkle over the quiet pond, the parade rest of each we're fond. Waddle, waddle, ducks parade, dreaming of adventures yet to be made. Morning will come with sunlight new, the little ducks will march again too. Waddle, waddle in joyful cheer, bringing smiles to everyone near. Through the pond and the green parade, ducks dance on in sunshine and shade. Waddle, waddle, always in play, a happy parade.